Understanding ear to the ground, a key to effective communication. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring a phrase that's both intriguing and useful, ear to the ground. This idiom may sound a bit peculiar at first, but it's a powerful expression that can significantly enhance your understanding of English communication. So, let's get started and uncover the meaning behind this phrase. Ear to the ground is an idiom that originates from a practice used by native people and early settlers to detect the approach of enemies or large animals. By putting their ear to the ground, they could feel vibrations and sounds transmitted through the earth, which would otherwise be undetectable. In modern English, this phrase metaphorically means staying informed or aware of the latest news or developments. It suggests being vigilant and attentive to what is happening around you, especially information that can impact decisions or actions. Using ear to the ground in conversation or writing conveys that someone is well informed or is making an effort to stay updated with the latest trends, news, or gossip. It's often used in a professional context, such as business or politics, but can also apply to personal situations. For example, the manager always keeps an ear to the ground for any changes in the industry that could affect our company. As a journalist, having an ear to the ground is essential for catching the latest stories. It's a versatile idiom that enhances your language by adding a layer of sophistication and nuance. Let's look at some sentences to see how ear to the ground can be used in various contexts. 1. To stay ahead in technology, you need to keep your ear to the ground and be ready to adapt quickly. 2. She keeps her ear to the ground for any news about the upcoming music festivals. 3. Investors keep their ears to the ground to catch early signs of market shifts. These examples show the phrase's adaptability across different subjects, emphasizing the importance of being proactive and informed. Understanding and using idioms like ear to the ground can significantly enrich your English vocabulary and make your communication more effective and engaging. It reflects not just linguistic knowledge but also an understanding of cultural nuances that are integral to mastering a language. We hope this video has given you valuable insights into this unique phrase and that you feel more confident in integrating it into your conversations. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more English learning tips. Happy learning! And don't forget to keep your ear to the ground for our next video.